Alright, so what's up guys? Yeah, you don't know. Prank day today. Who's prank today?
Embarrassing prank. You don't know, embarrassing
we forgot to do the
public.
intro. We forgot to do the intro. That's what we're doing tonight right now. Everything done already, but this is just, you see me? Today a bigger birthday, that's how I look so. You see, with the flower, I put it in the video. I got fun, don't know the shapes, embarrassing phone calls. There's some of my professor. I put it right also. Yeah,
put
so.
some of this.
Yeah.
Check, mic check.
Checking. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Sicky wagon, everything good? Easy, you're coming like you're a fish dog. Wait me, mate, stop wearing my underpants then, brother. You make me a talk. Look, me come on. Stop wearing my underpants and I'm buzzing and scratch, my brother. You're a fish, brother. Stop.
Yeah, hello. Yeah, brother, I'm going to stop wearing my underpants, my brother. Cause if you need to put on my underpants, brother, I'll be able to scratch my balls and scratch me, no dog. Mate, you want to dog? Yeah, my youth, when you stop wearing my underpants, I'm not better. The minute you wear my underpants and balls and scratch me, no dog. Mate, what kind of start you go, brother? Come on, my youth. Don't get being green, brother. Every time you wear my underpants and balls and scratch my dog. Yo, you don't know that.
Watch out now. Me not talking. You need to hear. You need to clear ear, my girl. Me and your cousin, you can't give me no more, my girl. Deaf? You're supposed to mother catch you, my girl. Yeah, man. Me and your cousin, my girl.
If you stop with my underpants, man, take the underpants, man, file line and put it on, brother. What I'm telling you, I love man, my youth. Me, you can't wear the same underpants, dog. A regular man wake up in the man and bars that scratch my dog. You see me? You don't know, step my youth. How are my youth? Come up on my phone, dog. Come not like them dirty style in there. You wear my underpants, dog. You come and chat, my youth. Yeah. Hello. Yeah. No, but there you are. Okay, we shall be a short and do a stop in the underpants. You hear that, brother? You know when you stop in the underpants, you can't have an underpants when you go out to the stop for that, man. Do what you have in the underpants, dog. What's that coming a fish man you out there talking about what? Come on, come up on phone, dog. I'm licking your fish, brother. I want to say that you have your thing this out. Bag of madness they was here. Man, if you stop chat people in my youth, that's a brown people still, you know, love chat black people. Chattings.
Yeah, bigger work.
Ready for work. It's to me, I be work. It's
So, anytime you're ready for video, they're ready for video. They're ready for video. You press. When you want to stop, you press the R. So, the record is that you right. And then you have to pause.
Please stop it on this.
Please stop it. You don't want to stop it, you want to pause. Yeah? So don't ever press this. It's not going to press. And you're going to, while you have this in your hand, don't put it in your pocket because it might stop it. So you put in your hand, you're having your hand so, I record, and you go so. My girl, I want it.
Yeah, hello. Yeah. Brother, I'm going to stop wearing my underpants in a dog. Two man can't wear one underpants in a dog. Every time you put on my underpants, man feel like my balls are scratch me in a daddy. Them things they can't go on, dog. I want to tell you. The deaf two man for wear one underpants, a body man style lad. Man put up them underpants on the line here, take them underpants, brother, and I put it on, dog. Why you going to put a shot? How you going to knock people and put a shot in their face, man? Why you be man? hear me say they can't wear my underpants, dog. Them think the now bars are scratch, my brother. Man, stop wearing my underpants, dog. Them think the healthy man, make my bars are scratch me now, my youth. Stop wearing my underpants, them mad. Them think the normal, brother. Stop it, dog. Them think
Yeah. I'm with my friend for a long time. I'm ex from 7th grade. Yo, bigger, hear me say now? Go over there, sir. Yo, watch it now. Got a flower him, you see it. But him not know, you see it. Yeah, today I'm birthday, watch it. Yo, I got a flower him though.
Yeah,
But him not know. Yeah, hello? Yeah. Alright, Abby. Yeah, hello? Listen, I'm in a public, listen. Me and your cousin, we cannot have sex anymore. Alright, suppose my mother catch me. Me and your cousin, my girl. Me and your cousin. Hey guys, it's a prank. See the microphone here. Come, let's go.
What's this?
Why you can't come up today here? Why? What go on?
Because I'm do me ear.
Today what date, my friend?
Blow me.
Today-
They blow me 3 times already. You really want it again? Tomorrow I do me ear. Tomorrow my birthday.
3 times a day. What's
3
enough?
times.
Anyways, money there, man, I wish happy birthday. You don't know your shapes. Alright, when you go home, yeah? More you do this. When you go home, go beard. When you go. When you go. That's so funny.
Birthday, my friend. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, my general. Hey,
Watch it.
He's my curtain. He's my curtain.
Pop him color.
Yo, you never expected that. Yo, bigger, and the whole day we have planned.
But that dog. No place for that time to get. No, 3 times.
Bigger. You hear me?
Can't even see what much
Watch now. Yo, watch now. After I'm come, we are planning this now. Look, we never use an egg pie in a farm.
Yeah.
Actually, what's up? Yeah.
Yeah, Brian, pass it calls them. Pass it calls.
You can't stop though.